I've been playing with Little Craver all morning and now it's lunchtime. I want some hibachi style rice, but I don't want to go to the restaurant. Let's get it. What's up, Seasoning Gang and Cravers? I got a quick video for you today. We're going to be doing some hibachi style fried rice. If you ever wonder how Betty Hunter did it or whatever, I'm going to show you a little quick version, a little hack that I have that actually works. First of all, you're going to get this stove turned on high heat. I prefer my wok, but I think I have it out in my camper. So I'm going to use what I have in here. I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of oil in the pan. Let that get hot. Things that you're going to need are 3 cups of rice that you've had in the fridge overnight or something like that. I prefer jasmine rice. You're going to need some soy sauce. I like to use this low sodium. You're going to need 2 eggs that are beaten. And this is my packet of choice for the seasoning. I can season it myself, but this is a whole lot faster and it tastes pretty good. All right, let's get it. Let's go. Let's get this nice and hot. Work that oil around in there. You can use sesame oil if you want to. I have some, but I don't really feel like that strong taste today. So get that oil worked around in there and get it really hot. Once that oil starts jumping around in there, then you're going to go ahead and drop your rice in there. Remember, 3 cups of rice. Sizzle like that. Yeah, this pan is actually not a wok, it's a non-stick pan, like a big sauce pan or something. I usually make all my sauces in it. It's gonna get messy, so get ready to get your vacuum cleaner. Get that chopped all up in there. See how loose my rice is? You don't want your rice boiled until where it sticks together and stuff like that. Get it worked around in that oil. Gonna cook this for a while. I'd like to say thanks to all of my new subscribers that have been coming along, and I really do appreciate you. I see they've been coming in quite often now. Thanks for watching my videos. I really appreciate you. I'm going to be doing a giveaway soon. I'm just getting cranked back up, so just give me a little while. I've been off for a while. And thanks to all my OG subscribers that have been here for a while. Thank you very much. Alright, so that's cooking up nicely. Let this keep cooking until it dries out just a little bit, until it gets just a little brown. Then we'll start adding everything in. You'll see as it gets hotter, it'll chop up a lot easier. Alright, flip it a little bit more, it's starting to brown. Let you see exactly how long it takes me to do this. Some of you said that you want my videos to be longer, and some of you want them shorter, so I'm just going to try to do something for everybody. Alright, let's put this season pack in there real quick. Sprinkle it all over. So I'll get that stirred in first. Starting to smell really good in here right now. And again, I may not let the video keep rolling while I'm doing all of this. You get the point. Just keep mixing it in. See you in just a second. All right, now that you got that brown the way that you want it and all mixed up, you'll know when it's all mixed up. You won't see any more powder in there. Then you want to take a tablespoon or two of your low sodium soy sauce. You can do regular if you want to. That's about 2 tablespoons. Probably doesn't look like it, I'm spreading it out. Get that tossed up in there. We'll do the same thing. Mix it evenly. If you were right here at this house right now, you'd be like, oh my God, that does smell like Benihana rice. It smells awesome. I mean, it may not be as delicious as theirs because they put all that garlic butter and stuff in there, but I don't like garlic butter. Sorry guys. A lot of stuff that I don't like. But I'm telling you now, so you better put it in yours. I don't like yum yum sauce either. That's right. Go ahead. Go ahead, shoot me. I don't like yum yum sauce. You can have that stuff. I got some in there in the cabinet because most people that come over here and eat my food, they like all that stuff. And I keep the garlic butter whenever I'm making a dish for everybody. But it's just not for me. All right. Now that you got that all in there, chop it up, turn your heat all the way down low. Push that to the side for just a second. Push your rice to the side, just like that. You see that? All right, let's get a little bit more of our oil. Put about a tablespoon right there. And go ahead and scramble your 2 eggs in that spot. If you don't like eggs, don't put eggs. Because some people are allergic to eggs. My son, I believe he's allergic to eggs. They said that he was not when he took his allergy test, but every time he messes with an egg, he breaks out or something. So I believe he is. I believe they just can't detect it because he's so young. But anyway, that's scrambled right here on the side. You know you don't want to mix your rice back in there with it yet. If some gets in there, that's fine. Scramble that egg all the way up. Otherwise, it's going to have your rice looking pasty. It's going to look nasty. I did it before, that's why I can tell you. So whatever's just right here on the surface and not inside the rice, grab it up and scramble it. Get that egg completely scrambled. And turn your heat back up if you want to, if it makes your egg cook faster. Like I said, this is non-stick, it's not a wok. It's actually like some kind of big saucepan, but it just looks like a wok. Anyway, now let's get that rice in there with the eggs. Chop the eggs up over in the rice. Get it all mixed up, and after this you're done. So get that all mixed up, put yours on the plate. I'm going to put mine on the plate, and we'll have some pictures here in the end. Most likely I'm going to show you a video of it on the plate. Anyway, let's get it, let's go. Go ahead and turn that heat off, guys, and there you have it. Hibachi style egg fried rice. You know I couldn't leave you out when I put my teriyaki sauce on there. There you go, guys. Let's get it, let's go.